Yes, yes,
Thank
ma'am.
you.
A very warm good morning and a heartily welcome to all. I, Shreya Chadha, with my co-host Ritika Soni, welcome parents, students on behalf of Sunrise Learning Foundation to a very special day for all Indians. Happy Independence Day. The unusual COVID-19 times may have confined us to our homes, depriving us of the joy of hearing patriotic songs that echo the school premises and the sight of Tiranga that strikes the sky every year. But in no way it can limit the love and pride we carry for our country. Thanks to the technology that we all still get to stay connected. I am so glad to be part of Sunrise Learning Foundation. I feel so blessed to be present here today to celebrate the spirit of freedom and harmony with my lovely Sunrise Learning family here. Like every other auspicious occasion, let's start this event by offering our prayer to the Almighty. So, now I would like all of us to take out 2 minutes to pray.
लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरू आज का काम सदा हमारे सिर पर तेरा हाथ रहे हर सुख दुख संकट में तेरा साथ रहे सदा हमारे सिर पर तेरा हाथ रहे हर सुख दुख संकट में तेरा साथ रहे हर सुख दुख संकट में तेरा साथ रहे खुशियों का हो जीवन में आया प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरुआत का काम प्रभु सुबह सवेरे लेकर तेरा नाम प्रभु करते हैं हम शुरुआत का काम
Om Shanti. Our country was under British rule for a very long time, and after a lot of struggle and with the help of our brave soldiers, we got our freedom back. Ever since, we have been celebrating 15th of August as our Independence Day. Every child is a different kind of flower, and all together make this world a beautiful garden. Sunrise Learning is born out of special love and hopes to embrace and to love these little flowers. Ritika, I must say our students have brilliant qualities and talents to show it to everyone, and I'm so proud of my students here today. So, without waiting and wasting any time, let the celebration begin and welcome our little flower, Avni. She's going to sing a
यार
song
मैंने
for
बैठ
all of
जाना
us. Let's welcome our little flower, Avni. She is going to sing a song for all of us.
Avni, unmute yourself.
अवनी बेटा अनम्यूट करो। अवनी मम्मा अनम्यूट कर दीजिए।
Next, we can have the next part. Okay.
Good morning, everyone. है बना आओ बच्चों, तुम्हें दिखाई जाके हिंदुस्तान की, इस मिट्टी से तिलक करोए धरती है बलिदान की। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, मातरम। आज कौन आगे से लड़का पे बारी राजस्थान, इसमें से तिलक कर है वरदान की। हे मातरम, हे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। तो खाए जान गोरा लोग की ताकत में नहीं मारो, नहीं मारो। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम। देखो सी बोलिया
Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. What a lovely performance. Thank you, Avni, for the beautiful performance. Very good. I'm so happy to have you here. So, moving on, what could be more wonderful than children representing our own cherished culture? Let us all welcome Shreya for her performance. Shreya, kindly unmute your call. Please welcome Shreya for her performance.
Shreya, we have to unmute ourselves first. Very good.
पीछे होकर खड़ी हो, स्टैंड अप जल्दी से। चप्पल उतार ली।
पीछे हो जाओ, रुक जाओ, इधर आ। हेलो करो करो डांस करो, इधर करना, इधर 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 करो, करो डांस लो, देखो नहीं देखो कर दो अपने आप करो। हाँ करो, तो करो करो जैसे करना करो। और कोई अच्छा अच्छा कर लो थोड़ा, बस अब करो ये दुनिया पे, ये दुनिया पे करो। आ जाओ तुम लड़कियों, अब करो हाथ जोड़ के।
श्रेया मम्मा, गाने का साउंड थोड़ा तेज हो सकता है क्या?
बस बस ज्यादा नहीं हमने और कोई कर दो, करो और तुम ऐसे नहीं करना, नहीं 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 वाला एक्टिंग कर दो तुम ना, एक एक करते सावन बच्चे ऊपर से लाओ, करो बांसुरी वाला कैसे बनाते हैं?
I love my India. Patan mera India. I love my India. What a great performance. Very good.
अब हाथ जोड़
Mesmerizing performance, Shreya.
के बोलो
Very
थैंक
good.
चलो
Very good, Shreya. Very
अब
good.
बोलो थैंक यू मैम,
Thank you so much for your lovely performance. Very good. Moving on, it is my honor to welcome a beautiful soul and torch bearer of Sunrise Learning Foundation. She is the founder and leader who makes sure that each person shines with their inherent abilities. Let us all welcome with open heart the person who is selflessly doing so much for society, our one and only Dr. Sonali ma'am, to show her patriotism towards the country.
मैं बात करो
Ma'am, please welcome.
ओके
Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay, I didn't know that I'm next. Okay, thank you. So, thank you for giving me a chance here. All of you are so amazing. But I want to sing something. Please focus on the spirit and the thought and not on the mistakes that I'm going to make. ठीक है? हम इंडिया पे फोकस करेंगे और इस थॉट पे. Thank you. महाराज से कोई यूपी से है कोई बंगाल से तेरी पूजा की थाली में आए तेरी पूजा की थाली में आए फूल हर रंग से आज हर डाल से फूल हर रंग से आज हर डाल से नाम कुछ सही पर लगन एक है दूध से दूध लेके चला जाएंगे है वतन हम तेरी कसम तेरे नाम में जाकर खुला जाएंगे है वतन है वतन है वतन है वतन जय हिंद जय हिंद जय थैंक यू
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'm sure everyone is so motivated by your presence here. What a mesmerizing performance. Jai Hind. Now, we would like to proceed, and a little girl who was wondering why we celebrate Independence Day asks her grandfather about Independence Day. So let us watch about that girl and let us solve all her questions. Ritika ma'am, can we play the video please?
I had played. I did not know it was not sharing. Just a minute.
Okay, no problem.
it was sharing screen आया था but वो play नहीं हुआ
Hello, children. Today we are going to talk about Independence Day.
Is it playing now?
Yes, Ritika, continue.
Once, Ruby and her grandfather was walking in a park. Grandfather said, "Today is a very special day for our country." Ruby asked, "Why, Grandpa?" Grandfather replied, "Today is Independence Day." Ruby was thinking, what is Independence Day? Grandfather said, "On this day, India got freedom." Ruby was very excited to know what do we do on Independence Day. Children, 15th August 1947, India got independence. So, every 15th August, we celebrate Independence Day. And how do we do that? By hoisting our national flag. Yes, this is the national flag of India. And on Independence Day, we hoist our national flag and feel United we stand and divided we fall. Right? So, children, let us take a pledge to remain united and be responsible citizen of our country. Happy Independence Day to all.
Happy Independence Day to all. United we stand. So, take more chances. Dance more dances. Our dear Saksham and his mama, our very own Dr. Vandana ma'am, are going to take a chance on dance on the special occasion of Independence Day. So let us all welcome Vandana ma'am and Saksham.
हेलो एवरीवन इन द मीनवाइल आई वांट टू टेक फ्यू सेकंड्स टू अनाउंस कि हमारे बीच में आज बहुत ही स्पेशल गेस्ट ऑफ ऑनर हैं, बहुत ही स्पेशल, एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कीप दिस एज अ सरप्राइज and I'll announce and show them towards the end of the program. This is going to be a very beautiful surprise for each one of us. Okay, so stay tuned. Guest of honor within us, amongst us, right here.
Okay, spectacular. Wow, what a performance.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vandana ma'am and Saksham. It was great, super. फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी. So now pull up your socks, tighten your shoelaces, as Ritika ma'am will now going to ask you to find and fetch. Ritika ma'am, shall we start with the game?
So, yes, as Shriya ma'am said, let us all pull up our socks and tighten our laces or our slippers, because now you have to pay attention. Listen to it very carefully, and we will find something that we are asked for. Okay? The one who shows it first, who gets that thing first, will fetch the prize. So we have the first activity, that is show the national fruit of India.
Yes.
You can grab the fruit.
Ma'am, mango.
We don't have to tell. This is a hint for all. हम quickly draw करेंगे या name, we'll write it down the name, or we'll grab the fruit itself quickly.
जल्दी जल्दी जो फटाफट से जाकर लेके आएगा मैंगो, या फिर फटाफट से जिसने मैंगो बनाया, that is the winner. Yes, mango is the right answer, but do we have a mango?
You, please.
Very
See,
good.
yeah.
Whoa. So we have a mango here.
So we have our final winners. Right?
Very good.
Is
मैम मैंने मैंगो बना दिया.
Very good. Amazing. So now, should we go on to our next one? Yes? Quickly we'll go on and pay attention, okay? So we have the next one on the screen. That is show the Indian national flag in any form. Stick-on, cloth, picture, tabletop.
Ma'am, Indian national flag.
Very good, Akshar.
We're already totally with it. This was too easy.
This was too easy, but nonetheless, very quick reaction.
Yes, very good. Wonderful.
Very good. Akshat has made his own flag today.
Everybody has their own flags today in their hands.
Ritika ma'am, I also have one. Do I get to win?
No, Shriya ma'am. You are helping with me, so no prize for you.
Oh no. I had many flags.
We have got our winners for this round also. Now is the time you will use your shoes and running. Should I show it to you? We have to get 4 things of these colors. Any 4 things at our home that we can get of one orange color, one thing white color, one thing blue color, and one green color.
But it should not be a national flag now.
And we have to get 4 things for 4 colors. The one who gets it first will win the prize.
Please
So
look.
we
This
have-
is saffron. This is white.
मैम
This is
white
green.
pyramid और मैम
Ma'am, I have this orange.
Very good. Aditya.
Ritika ma'am.
City
Parents are not allowed to help the students. Let's see.
और ये क्या और मोम क्या है? व्हाइट पिरामिड नहीं नहीं व्हाइट पिरामिड ग्रीन सिटी ऑरेंज स्केच पेन
Very good, Akshat.
ब्लू पेन और व्हाइट कॉटन
Wow, very good, Akshat. Akshat has come all prepared for Independence Day
Green
today.
lighter,
Brenda also has
green lighter,
Napkin
green,
and orange.
and white. Amazing. I thought this will take more than 2 minutes.
excuse me ma'am.
Yes, Pooja.
रितिका सब बहुत प्रिपेयर्ड होके आई हैं आज इंडिपेंडेंस डे के
Everybody
लिए.
had their things in the hooks and corners.
Yes,
By now EIP students have also got their things. 4 colors.
very good.
Very good.
Ma'am, 4 colors.
Very good.
Yeah, everyone can show on their screens. Whatever you have, just put them together and show on the screen. Let them show. Take a second and let them show. Okay, let's move on now.
Yes. So this was find and fetch for all of us. And so we will announce the winners later. This is a surprise. Who got the final win? Okay.
Yes, Ritika ma'am. So let's moving on to our next performance by Arnav. The flags are flying, the balloons are ready for release. It's a great day Arnav have been waiting for. He will be saying a few lines to show his love for the country. So let us all welcome Arnav. Arnav, unmute your call. Hello, Arnav.
Hello, ma'am.
Good morning, Arnav.
Good morning.
Very good.
You're looking so dashing, Arnav. We see a Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad and all the good freedom fighters in you. Amazing.
Hindustan Zindabad. Let us say it again, Arnav. Hindustan Zindabad. Very good, Arnav. Very good. Let us all say it together. Let us all say it together. Hindustan Zindabad. Everyone, very good.
Hindustan
Jai Hind.
Hindustan Zindabad.
Zindabad. Jai Hind.
Zindabad.
Very good.
Very good. We sure have loud voices.
Yes.
Very good.
So, we have our dearest Siddharth with us to bring more flavors of joy and excitement in our patriotism with his song. So, let us see what Siddharth has got for us today. Siddharth, kindly unmute your call.
Good morning, teachers and friends. Happy Independence Day. For Bharat Mata ki Jai. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Jai Hind.
Hey. Na hey. Pana. Na khona ही है तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है तुमसे ही दिन सुरमा ही शाम आती है तुमसे तुमसे ही हर घड़ी सांस आती है, जिंदगी कहलाती है तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। ना ही पाना ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है। आंखों में आके तेरी, बाहों में बाहें तेरी, मेरा न मुझ में कुछ यहाँ हुआ क्या। बाहों में बाहें तेरी, रातें सना के तेरी, क्यों तेरी सब है हो गया हुआ क्या। मैं कभी भी चाहता हूँ तुमसे ही मिल जाता हूँ, तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। शोर में खामोशी है, थोड़ी सी बेरूसी है तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। ना है आना ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है। आधा सवाना कभी आप देश जाना, कभी जी जान करूँ रिश्ता वफा क्या। छोड़े ना छूटे कभी, तोड़े ना टूटे कभी, जो दान तुमसे जुड़ गया वफा क्या। मैं तेरा सरमाया हूँ, जो भी है मैं पाया हूँ तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। रास्ते में मिल जाती है मंजिलें, मंजिल है तुमसे ही, तुमसे ही। ना है पाना ना खोना ही है, तेरा ना होना जाने क्यों होना ही है। Thank you.
Very good. I loved it, Siddharth. Well done. What a beautiful performance. I am so proud of you, Siddharth.
सिद्धार्थ आपका ब्रदर भी आ गया था पीछे से गाना गाने। हाँ, बहुत अच्छा।
Very good, Siddharth. You know, this song is a favorite song for many of us.
Yes.
I can see Ruchika ma'am and Ruchi ma'am singing this song along with you.
Well done, Siddharth. So,
Thank you.
very good. On 75th Independence Day, here's a fun quiz to check how well you know India. I would like to start the quiz for our little ones now of the age group 3 to 10 years. Rules are simple. The first one to show the answer on the screen wins, or the first one to write answer in the chat box is the winner.
Should we start the quiz then?
Yes, there's a singer between amongst us. Who wants to sing? We can wait. The quiz can wait.
Sure.
Aditya wants to sing?
Ma'am, I didn't get a chance to speak.
Pooja's turn we have. Pooja
Pooja.
has a special performance. We have a chance for Pooja as well.
Yes. So let us all begin with the quiz round.
मैंने भी गाना है।
किसने गाना है? Akshat ने? Yes, Akshat. Your turn is next. After the quiz, we have your turn. Let's play. Let us all play quiz now.
Okay. So now all the 3 to 10 years, the little patriots that we have to quickly tell our yes or no's and our answers on the chat box. Okay? quickly starting with our first question. Name the colors in our Indian flag. Tricolor. We have to name the colors in our Indian flag. Tricolor.
So write your answer in the chat box.
We
The
have
first,
to remember. Yes.
yes,
Tiranga, tricolor.
okay, so we have the answer.
मैम मेरे को भी गाना गाना है.
Yes,
Okay,
you have
Akshat,
your
you will
turn.
get a chance to sing a song.
Very good. So I can see most of them know tricolor.
Yes, Kritika ma'am, we have very intelligent students amongst us. Very
Very
good. So,
good.
very good. So everyone knows the answer.
And they have written it in sequence. Wonderful.
So saffron, white, and green.
Green.
Very
Wonderful.
good.
Give yourselves a good clap. Very good. Should we move forward?
Yes, Ritika ma'am, let's move to the next question for age 3 to 10 years.
We have the next question on our screen. National sport of India is cricket. We can use our yes or no tabs to show what is the right answer. National sport of India is cricket. Yes or no? I can already see all the answers coming in.
No, Manoj Kumar. Avni has the right answer also. Hockey.
Very good. Avni and Purab, you have mentioned the right answer as well. My God, everybody
Wonderful.
knows this.
Wonderful.
Everyone can
Very
type.
good.
Everyone can type. Or it's
Ma'am,
3 to
just the age from 3 to 10 years. These are the
Everyone-
questions.
So everyone is typing. They can't
No,
register.
we'll give the prizes for the first answer to the age group 3 to 10 years.
So all
Yes,
girls
everyone
have
can
to hold
participate.
their hands like this and sit if they are not from 3 to 10 years. Because these little patriots have their yes and no ready for the answers. Okay? Going forward to our next question. Is the leader shown in the picture Narendra Modi ji? Yes or no? We can flash the yes or no card if the leader shown in the picture is Narendra Modi ji.
No.
Very good.
So we have the answer here. No.
And we all know the answer
Who is
is.
this? Is?
Who is this? Yes, Shreya ma'am. Who is this? You only tell us final answer.
Acha, I will tell. Let them tell. Ritika ma'am.
Okay,
They're
we'll
saying
wait
no.
for the one to answer. Who is this? This is
Who is
open
this?
for all.
Open for all. Yes. Very good, Atte.
Very good.
Very
Pooram
good.
has also written the same.
Who said Ramnath Govind? No. Avni, no.
Very good, Avni, that you have tried. But
Yes.
this is Jawaharlal Nehru ji. And so we have the winner for this round also. Going forward to our next question, we have, is this Taj Mahal one amongst the wonders of the world?
क्या है?
Yes or no? Do we have Taj Mahal among the list of 7 wonders of the world? Yes or no? Very good. I can already see the answers popping up.
Yes.
Very good.
Chanta.
So we have the answer already. Yes,
Yes.
the Taj Mahal is among the 7 wonders of the world. And by mistake, I have shown the question already. But okay, moving on. We have the next question.
Ritika
Are we
ma'am,
ready?
Ritika ma'am, I have one question. Do you know who built Taj Mahal?
I know, but I can wait for the answer to come from the audience.
Okay, so this is open for every age group. Who built Taj Mahal? I don't know the answer.
I know.
Can anyone tell me?
Shah Jahan.
Wow, very good.
This was so quick. Wonderful.
Thank you. Thank you, Aditya, for telling me.
Ma'am, can I say?
Very good. Yash has also told the place of Taj Mahal.
Yes. Thank you so much for telling me the answer.
So moving forward, next question on your screen for our age group, not to forget, 3 to 10 years. Camel is the national heritage animal of India. Yes or no? Camel is the national heritage animal of India. Yes or no?
No. Everyone is saying no.
Oh, wow.
Saksham is saying yes.
Those who are saying no, do you know the national heritage animal of India? Yes.
Tiger is the national animal of India. We are asking national heritage animal of India. The one who said no, can you tell us the right answer?
The one who has answered no is already the winner. This is an extra question.
आओ इधर तो तुम नहीं ठीक कर सकते बात है खाली मराओ इधर
ओके
इधर आप ठीक करें मामा हेल्प करो मोटा कहीं का तुम्हारा पेट इतना मोटा हो गया है
So we don't have a winner, I guess, Ritika.
We have a winner. Yes and no, they have answered. We have the answer already.
Okay.
But the national heritage animal of India is an elephant.
Yes, Ritika ma'am.
It is
You got it
as
right.
big.
Then what is the national animal of India?
That we have answered already. Who answered it?
Saksham, tiger, yes.
Very good. Siddharth.
So Ritika ma'am, to be clear, tiger is the national animal of India and an elephant is the national heritage animal of India.
Yes. So we have 2 animals to remember now.
Yes.
Wonderful. The next question is this. How many lions are there in the national emblem of India? 1, 2, 3, or 4? How many lions do we have in the national emblem of India?
So we have answers.
Oh,
who is saying 3? 4.
Very good.
4 lions. Very good. Amazing, yes. So we have 4 lions in the national emblem of India.
And all we know that we see only 3. Where is the 4th one? The 4th one is right behind. Like this.
Okay. Now I got it.
Yes, I love to see these 4 whenever I see. but mostly I see only 3 of them. That is sad. So moving
But we
on.
have 4 lions.
Yes, one is extra hidden behind to capture
Yes.
us all. So we have the next question, that is, which flower is the national flower of India? Is it a sunflower or a rose or a lotus?
Ma'am, I have orchids with me. Ooh, so we have the right answer. Do we, Ritika ma'am?
Yes, we already do. We have the right answer on the screen. And wonderful, Avni being the first one to tell us that it is lotus.
Oh.
Wonderful. Clapping for Avni also and all the other participants. We have Saksham, Pooja, Akshat, Siddharth.
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Purab and Rishit. Wonderful. So we have the last question now to show.
For the age group 3 to 10 years, ma'am.
Yes. So
Okay.
the last question for 3 to 10 years age is, we have to pay attention. Delhi is the capital of India. Yes or no? Delhi is the capital of India. Yes or no?
Yes. Yes.
Wonderful, but we don't have to give others the hint. If we speak it, everybody knows the answer. Very good.
So it was a fun quiz for everyone. Thank you, Ritika ma'am. We enjoyed a lot. So, moving on. Indian culture is an important part of our lives. It not only helps in the growth of our personality, but also strengthen our root and help us remain grounded. Parth has something to share with us. Please welcome Parth. Parth, kindly unmute your call and share what you have to say with us.
मैम गुड मॉर्निंग।
गुड मॉर्निंग पार्थ।
मैम आज मैं स्पीच देने वाला हूँ।
वेरी वेल सिद्धार्थ। पार्थ,
मैम आज हम यहाँ पर 75वां स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाने के लिए एकत्रित हुए हैं। 15 अगस्त 1947 का हमारा देश स्वतंत्र हुआ था और हम हर साल इस दिन को स्वतंत्रता दिवस के रूप में बहुत ही धूमधाम से मनाते हैं। Excuse me, मैम।
यस पार्थ।
मैम मैंने सुना दिया मैम।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड।
Thank you, ma'am.
What a knowledgeable speech, Parth. Very good. I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Sometimes it only takes one good song to bring back thousands of good old memories. So, are we excited to listen to a song by our dearest Yash? Yash, it's now your turn.
Yash, unmute yourself.
मैं देख के बोल सकता
Yes, 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 yes.
जहाँ डाल पर
वो भारत देश है मेरा, वो भारत देश है मेरा, जहाँ सत्य, हिंसा और धर्म का पग लगा। मैं भूल गया।
कोई नहीं, it was very good, very good, Yash.
वो भारत देश
भारत
है
देश है
मेरा,
मेरा,
वो भारत देश है मेरा। वेरी गुड यार,
very good, Yash, very good.
Yash, do you want to sing again with all of us?
Yes.
Okay, good. You start
Okay.
and we will join in. Okay?
Ashita
Yes.
ma'am, kindly unmute and sing with us. Yash,
Yes, ma'am.
let us all sing together. वो भारत देश है मेरा,
वो भारत देश है।
यश, आप शुरू से स्टार्ट करो, हम सब आपके साथ गाएंगे। शुरू से आप अपनी फर्स्ट लाइन से स्टार्ट करो। हाँ, वेरी गुड। चलो स्टार्ट करो, हम भी स्टार्ट करेंगे आपके साथ।
जहाँ डाल
डाल पर सोने की चिड़िया करती है बसेरा, भारत देश है मेरा। Very good, Yash. Very good.
Very good, well done.
Wow.
Very good, well done. What a performance. Thank you so much, Yash. I'm so proud of you. Very good. Everyone clap for Yash. Very good.
Wow.
Now you will witness another sensational performance by our very own Akshat. Akshat, are you ready?
Hello everyone.
Hello Akshat. Jai Hind.
Hello everyone. Jai Hind. हमें तरपाते हैं, चिट्ठी आती है कि पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे, लिखो कब आओगे, तो ये घर सुना सुना है। किसी दिल वाली ने, किसी हिम्मत वाली ने हमें खत लिखा है, ये हमसे पूछा है। किसी की सांसों ने, किसी की धड़कन ने, किसी की जिगरे ने, किसी के गजरे ने, महकती सुगंधे ने, छुटी शामों ने, अकेली रातों में, अधूरी बातों ने, तरसती बातों ने, और कुछ आए गाँव की गलियों ने कि घर कब आओगे, कि घर कब आओगे, निको को आओगे, तो ये घर सोना सोना है।
Wow, what a terrific performance. I must say this was an outstanding performance. Very good, Akshat. Very good. Now let us call our dear Pooja. The world is waiting for your words, dear Pooja.
Good morning, all the teachers and my dear friends. It makes my heart beat with pride to see colors of Independence Day, spreading happiness of the joy all around. We celebrate Independence Day as National Festival of India. On August 15, 1947, India got independence. It is most auspicious day for the people who Indian because in independent after loss of people, hardship and sacrifice of the very Indian freedom fighters. May the Indian tricolor always fly high. Warm wishes on the occasion of Independence Day.
Wow. Everyone, clap for Pooja. Super Pooja. What a inspiring speech. Very good. Well done. Very good. So let us all now begin the round 2 of our quiz for age 11 plus years. Are we ready, Ritika ma'am, with the quiz?
We are always ready. Whenever
Yes.
it is time for games, we are ready.
Yes. So let us begin with the quiz round 2. Rules are the same. The first one to write the answer in the chat box wins. So this is for age 11 plus. Let us now see how well you know about India. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Should we start?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, dear students, should we start?
Yes, ma'am.
Ashita ma'am, Shriya ma'am, should I start with my quiz now?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first question will be on your screen in just a split second, and the first one to answer will win. So the first question is, how many spokes are there in Ashok Chakra? We have the Ashok Chakra on our flag in the middle as a wheel. How many spokes does this Ashok Chakra have?
So we have got a lot of answers here, Ritika ma'am.
Oh,
And
already?
everyone is saying 24. Is it correct?
Yes, it is absolutely
Oh,
correct.
wonderful, wonderful. So we have 24 spokes in Ashok Chakra.
Wonderful. Everybody knows everything here.
So Ashok Chakra is the wheel between the white color, if I'm not
Yes.
wrong. Oh,
And these spokes of the Ashok Chakra are representatives of the states of India.
so Avni here is telling us that it is blue in color.
Very good, Avni. Yes, it is blue in color. Wonderful. So we have the next question, and that is, what is our country's name in Hindi? What is the Hindi name of India?
Ooh.
Oh, I could hear the typing. Wonderful, Saksham. Okay, we have the first one to answer, that is Saksham. Amazing.
So it is Bharat.
Bharat.
India, Hindi name is Bharat. Hindustan, Hind. Ritika ma'am, we
Very
have
good.
more names.
Yes,
Hindustan,
we
Hind.
do. But Bharat is the right answer.
Okay.
All the others are nicknames that are derived later. Bharat
Oh.
is the actual translation for India in Hindi. So Bharat wins. Do we go on? Okay. Quickly going on to our next question. That is, the picture shown above is associated with which movement or event of freedom struggle? This picture in itself has a hint. Which movement or event could this picture be?
So Saksham is writing
Very
Dandi Yatra.
good.
Dandi March. Dandi March. Who said Dandi March?
Purab.
Pooja.
Saksham and Purab, you did an amazing job at the fingers first because they are quickest.
Yes. Ritika ma'am, in the picture, who is that man leading all the people and carrying a stick?
Yes, it is this stick that we call the dandi. And the
Oh.
man here is, who do we have on our rupee notes?
So Avni has told us Gandhi ji. Yes, Akshat Gandhi ji. Oh, so
Very
Gandhi
good.
ji carried a dandi and did
Amazing.
Dandi March. Oh,
Yes, and Dandi March was a very important event of the freedom struggle. Very important. Wonderful, we know about it. So going forward with our next question quickly. And it is, most worshipped river of India. India is a land of many rivers, but which of these rivers is the most worshipped river?
Ritika
Very
ma'am, we
good.
have the right answer. River Ganga. Yes, so everyone
Wonderful.
knows.
Purab has also written Ganga Ji.
Ganga ji.
Wonderful. Very good. So we have our winners for this round as well. And going on to the next question. Who will raise the flag during National Level Independence Day function in 2021 at the Red Fort?
Saksham
Very
is
good.
saying
I
Prime
have not
Minister.
completed the question and Saksham has already given the answer.
But Saksham, who is our Prime Minister?
That is not a part of the quiz, but you can tell the answer.
Saksham is saying Modi.
Very good. Amazing. Purab has also written PM.
PM, yes.
Ma'am, just to inform you, all answers are prompted. Huh? Purab is being helped. Okay.
Purab.
Just to let you know.
Okay. That is fine, but we will allow Purab to type his answers as quickly as possible. So we have our next question now. We have to very clearly, carefully listen to this audio and tell us the answer to the question that will be asked. Yes. So the question is, which actress is performing in this song? Oh, wonderful. Aditya has already answered. We do have Bollywood Kiras.
Yes, Aditya is a Bollywood fan.
Very
So
good.
everyone knows Kajol is performing.
I thought this will be a difficult question.
I told you, Ritika ma'am.
The students are too smart for any
Yes,
difficult question.
yes. We are all Bollywood fans here. Can anyone sing this song with us? Do we have anyone? Who wants to sing this song?
Ma'am, can I sing the song?
Yes.
Yes, Pooja.
Yes, Pooja.
You.
देश रंगीला रंगीला, देश मेरा रंगीला. Very good. Very good, Pooja.
So going forward with our quiz, we have this question. Name of the freedom fighter that is shown in the image. Who is this freedom fighter that we have on the screen?
Bhagat Singh.
Wow, Aditya.
This was even quicker than typing. Very good. So we have Avni here who has typed it first. Very good. Yes, it is Bhagat Singh. He was also one of the very important freedom fighters. Very good. We still have students writing the answers. Wonderful. So going forward with our next question. Very good.
Very good, Shreya.
So prepare yourselves for the next question as I show it to you on your screen. Now we have to watch this video and I'll ask the question later.
दुश्मन ताक में बैठा उधर और हम तैयार हैं सीना लिए अपना इधर खून से खेलेंगे हो.
Yes. So the question we have is to guess the movie. We can show the video again. The question is, we have to guess the movie and write the answer in the chat box.
बोलो मंगल पांडे. बोल दिया? नहीं फिर से बोलो ना. बोलो. नहीं तो लिख दो. मंगल पांडे थी.
Yes, Purab has got the right answer. I hope it is not completely prompted, but yes, we have a right answer. So Purab,
totally prompted. Only typing is independent. Typing is 100% independent. Answer is prompted.
All the parents are helping. We're seeing cheating is happening here all around. No, this is not Mangal Pandey. It is Rang De Basanti. So Purab scores the point. Very good. Purab or Sonali ma'am, who wins it? We'll give it to both of them. Yes, Akshat. So now, another question.
This Ritika ma'am, this is Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna, right? This is the poem.
Yes.
Is it a poem?
This is a very famous poem and also called as their freedom cry.
Oh, I think it is written by Bismil Azimabadi. Am I correct?
You're absolutely correct.
Oh.
He was the one who framed all these words into a war cry, into a freedom struggle cry.
Bismil Azimabadi.
Yes, Bismil Azimabadi.
Sarfaroshi Ki Tamanna. Very good.
So we will all pay attention and listen to it after our celebration, okay? So going forward with our quiz, we have our next question. Number of states in India. Quickly. Very easy to type 2 digits. Oh, very good. Saksham.
29 लिख दो 29
We have to unmute ourselves, mute ourselves so that we don't give hint to each other.
29 क्या है
Very good. Yes, we do have 29 states in India. And how many union territories?
This is an additional question.
Yes, this
Ritika
is not
ma'am.
the part of the quiz. How many union territories? It is very good. It is 7 or 8. 7 was until last year. Now we have Jammu and Kashmir also.
8
Wonderful. Everybody is trying their answer. Very good, Pooja and Manmeet. Very good. So we have our winners for this round, and we go on to our next question, that is National Bird of India. Who knows the National Bird of India? Let me see. Have you forgotten? Oh, Saksham has won again. Saksham knows all the answers.
Aditya is saying peacock. Yes. Yes, Aditya.
Very good.
You got it right.
Aditya, we don't have to speak it. Sabko hint mil jayega.
Aditya, type in the chat box quickly.
But your
Aditya.
answer is absolutely correct. Very good. So we have the winners in front of us.
peacock.
Very good, Aditya.
So we will go forward with our next question on your screen. Who wrote the national anthem of India? I want to give a clue, but I want to wait to see if
Rabindranath Tagore.
Oh, Aditya. Wonderful, Aditya.
Aditya does not want to
Aditya,
type but knows all the
Aditya,
answers.
but you have to type the answer if you want to win. Come on, quickly write the answer.
Very good. Aditya, quickly. Yes.
Very
Rishit,
good. Rabindranath Tagore. Yes, Aditya, I can see. Very good. Akshat has got it right. Everyone knows Rabindranath Tagore is the
right answer. Who
Very
wrote
good.
our national anthem of India? And now, this is our last question. So buckle up who has not answered yet. Okay? Pay attention to the clip and we will show the question later. So the question is, which
India.
No,
Yes.
this is the movie.
Movie
we have
is
to
right.
type the sport that this movie is
Saksham
based
has
on.
got it right. Very good, Saksham.
Very good,
Super
Saksham
quick.
and Rishit. You
Rishit
are the
will-
quickest.
Yes. So,
Very good,
hockey.
Siddharth.
Hockey is the right answer.
Yes, hockey. And do we know what is hockey? How is hockey an important sport of India? It is the national
Hockey.
sport of India.
National sport
Yes.
of India.
Ma'am, national
Very
game
good, Aditya.
hockey.
Yes.
Yes. Very good, Akshat.
Wonderful. We
Yeah, but
clearly
there-
know much. We clearly know much about our country.
Yes.
So we have our quiz on the end, and now we have something different.
No, ma'am, I'm
Okay.
tired.
Huh?
So,
Okay, we'll wind up as quickly as possible. Okay, Aditya?
Yes.
Till then you'll wait?
Okay, ma'am.
Very good.
Thank you, Aditya. Now I humbly call upon one of our educator to say few lines for our country. Please welcome Rishabh Mehra sir. Rishabh Mehra sir, are you there?
कैसे फैक्ट्री खत्म करती हो पहले
I call upon Rishabh Mehra sir to say a few lines for our country. Is he with us?
Shreya ma'am, I think he has got some network issues.
Okay, no problem. So, Saksham wants to sing a poem. Say a poem for us. Saksham and Vandana ma'am.
Yes, the poem
Are
is
we ready?
Yes, the poem is written in Hindi. So I will speak one line and Saksham will repeat after me. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
चलो सक्षम मेरे साथ साथ बोलेंगे. एक मिनट कहाँ गई? नहीं जनगण मन नहीं करेंगे. चलो. प्यारा प्यारा पहले मुझे तो बोलने दो. प्यारा प्यारा मेरा देश. बोलो.
प्यारा प्यारा मेरा देश
सबसे न्यारा मेरा देश.
सबसे न्यारा मेरा देश
दुनिया जिस पर गर्व करे.
दुनिया जिससे गर्व करे.
ऐसा सितारा मेरा देश.
ऐसा सितारा मेरा देश.
चांदी सोना मेरा देश.
चांदी सोना मेरा देश.
सफल सलोना मेरा देश.
सफल सोना
जोर से. गंगा जमुना की माला का.
गंगा जमुना
माला का. फूलों वाला मेरा देश.
फूलों वाला मेरा देश.
आगे जाए मेरा देश.
आगे जाए मेरा देश.
नित नए मुस्काए मेरा देश.
मुस्काने
इतिहासों में
इतिहासों में
बढ़ चढ़कर नाम लिखाए मेरा देश. मेरा देश.
मेरा देश.
जय भारत जय हिंद.
Jai Bharat, Jai Hind. What a wonderful poem, ma'am. Very good, Saksham. Well done. Jai Hind. So,
Thank you.
quick surprise round for a quiz round for teachers and parents. So, parents were helping out the students. Now, parents, it's your turn. Ritika, ma'am, are we ready?
Yes, or should I say now the students can't prompt their answers if they know it.
Yes. I think students are going to help parents this time. We have very intelligent students with us.
And
They know
parents
everything about India.
Teachers as well. It is open for all, so teachers can't sit back saying that they don't want to play. Okay, this is the time to show your sports spirit. And I'll share with you. So we have the first question. Are we ready for this round?
I am ready. Ritika ma'am, can I play?
Shreya ma'am, I'd prefer you not to play. So we have
That's not fair.
first question on our screen. Where was the Ashok Chakra taken from? Where was the Ashok Chakra taken from?
So we have the right answer, Ritika ma'am.
Oh, do we already?
Vanna ma'am. Yes, Vanna ma'am. She's
Wonderful. So what is the right answer?
It's Sarnath.
Yes. Amazing. Vandana ma'am, very good. That is how we know Saksham knows all the answers. So we have the right answer for all our parents, students and teachers. The Ashok Chakra, the chin, has been taken from Sarnath.
Ritika ma'am, the one which had 24 spokes?
Yes.
Oh,
The one we have on our flag in blue color.
I see.
Going forward with our next question quickly. which is the most prestigious honored award in India? These are all the medals and prizes.
Ma'am, we have already got the answer. Anirudh.
Very good.
Bharat Ratna.
Very good. That is absolutely correct. Bharat Ratna. This Leaf Award is the one that is considered as the most prestigious and honored award in India. Very good.
मैम थोड़ा थोड़ा हिंदी में भी बताएंगे बच्चों को.
ओके. तो भारत रत्न हमारा सबसे
बड़ा अवार्ड है.
सबसे बड़ा, सबसे ज्यादा मान्यता रखने वाला अवार्ड है, पुरस्कार है. एंड गोइंग फॉरवर्ड क्विकली, which two states of India share a common capital? कौन सी दो?
Vandana ma'am is typing quickly and she has got the answer. She's Haryana and Punjab.
Very good.
Avni's father is saying Chandigarh.
Very good. Yes, Chandigarh is also there, but we have to mention the two states that has the capital Chandigarh. Very good. Everybody knows everything here. There is no difficult question only. So do we have the answers for this?
Yes, Ritika ma'am, we have got the answers.
Very good. So we have to go to our next question. What is the national calendar of India? Bharatiya calendar.
Vandana ma'am knows every answer.
Is it Saksham? Is it Saksham or is it Vandana ma'am who knows all of it?
Vandana ma'am GK में ना first.
I think it's Saksham.
We should have thought of Vandana ma'am's existence. GK strong है ma'am का. Very good. So Vandana ma'am has given the right answer.
So it is Saka calendar.
Yes, that is absolutely correct. Quickly going on, we have who was the first Prime Minister of Republic India?
Nehru ji, yes.
Very
good.
Aditya also knows.
Very good, Aditya.
Very good, Aditya.
Thank you.
So everyone knows this answer, I can see.
Ma'am, Children's Day बनाते हैं उस दिन.
Yes.
Very good, Pooja. Very good. Nehru ji Children's Day, 14th of November. Chacha Nehru.
Good. Just a second. So this is our last question. Which freedom fighter said this slogan? ये किस freedom fighter ने कहा था? Give me blood and I will give you freedom. तुम मुझे खून दो, मैं तुम्हें आजादी दूंगा.
Ritika ma'am, we have already got the answers.
Why can't I say the question? I have to get some speed.
Yes,
okay, so what is
indeed.
the right answer?
So Subhash Chandra Bose.
Wonderful.
Yes.
It is absolutely correct. And so we have the winners of this round as well. Very good. Vandana ma'am, hats off to you. Very good.
Now
and the parents also who won against Vandana ma'am.
So now I humbly call upon one of our educator to say few lines for our country. Please welcome Rishabh Mehra sir. Is he with us now? Ritika ma'am?
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hello everyone. I am ऋषभ मेहरा और मैं छोटा सा अपना परिचय देना चाहूंगा. मैं ऋषभ मेहरा हूँ और मैं स्पेशल एजुकेटर हूँ. गुड आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून. गुड आफ्टरनून श्रेया. गुड आफ्टरनून. बढ़िया है. Good afternoon.
Good
Okay.
afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, Avni. Good afternoon. Okay.
मेरा पूजा है.
Akshat, good afternoon. Okay.
Good afternoon.
So
This
मैंने
is performance time. Performance, please.
ओके मैम. सो मैं कुछ समय पहले ही मैंने ज्वाइन किया है सनराइज लर्निंग को. तो मैं अपनी जो राष्ट्र की भावना है, जो मैं उसको 2-3 पंक्तियों में आपके सामने रखना चाह रहा हूँ. आवाज तो अच्छी नहीं है, बट अपनी राष्ट्र की भावना को मैं आपके सामने रख रहा हूँ. ओके, सो मैं स्टार्ट करता हूँ. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले. सांस थमती गई, नब्ज जमती गई, फिर भी बढ़ते कदम को न रुकने दिया. कट गए सर हमारे तो कुछ गम नहीं, सर हिमालय का हमने न झुकने दिया. मरते मरते रहा बाकपन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले. जिंदा रहने के मौसम बहुत है, मगर जान देने की रुत रोज आती नहीं. हुस्न और इश्क दोनों को रुसवा करे वो जवानी जो जो खून में नहाती नहीं. आज धरती बनी है दुल्हन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा जानो तन साथियों, अब तुम्हारे हवाले वतन साथियों. कर चले हम फिदा. जय हिंद.
जय हिंद.
क्या बात है सर, बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग.
सॉरी, थोड़ा कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो गई गले में.
It was a wonderful performance, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Sorry. Thank you so much.
Thank you for joining us, sir. We're extremely glad and happy to have you here.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
So do we have Shreyas with us? The soul of music is considered to be the heart. Let's see what Shreyas has in his heart for our country. Shreyas? Do we have Shreyas? No problem. So I would like to thank everyone who made this program possible, and now we will be ending this by singing our national anthem. So I would request all of you to stand at your respective places when the national anthem begins. Namaste and happy Independence Day. Jai Hind.
And just before that, I also want all of you to, since you're standing up, also want all of you to clap for the guest of honor. I'm going to announce the guest of honor for today's function is our students. Clap for yourselves. Amazing, beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. सबसे बड़े guest of honor, पूरी Shraddha is learning family और हर Indian, every Indian. So well done, beautiful, amazing. भारत माता की
जय।
भारत
जय।
माता की
जय। जय हिंद।
Thank you, Rishabh. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you.
Shreya, thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
You are we saying anything? Okay.